Welcome to English Daily Channel.
Hi everyone, my name is Ashley.
And I'm Tom.
Yesterday, Tom came to me and said, Ashley, I want to tell you something that happened.
I said it in 10 words. She did not understand much.
Not your fault, it was too short.
So today we will fix it, step by step.
We will go slow. We will repeat. You can speak with us.
If you like this lesson, please subscribe and give a like.
Ready, Tom?
Ready.
Let's start. What happened yesterday?
It was raining. The sky was dark.
Oh, raining. Where were you?
I was in a café. It was warm and bright inside.
Nice. Who did you see?
I saw a girl.
A girl? What did she do?
She played music.
Really? What kind of music?
She played the cello. The sound was deep and soft.
Good. Now, try to put it all together in one short line.
It was raining. I was in a cafe, and a girl played the cello.
Clear and short.
It is simple, but it feels a little empty.
Yes, level 1 is only the frame of the story.
I want more than the frame.
Then we will add easy details in level 2. Tell me how you came to the cafe.
It was raining, so I ran inside the cafe.
Ran inside? You must have been wet.
A little, yes. Then I sat near the window.
Window seat. Classic choice. Did you order something?
Yes, I ordered a cappuccino.
Ooh, cappuccino. Fancy. Who brought it?
The waiter brought the cup to my table.
Did you hold it right away?
Yes, I held the cup in my hands.
Warm hands, happy Tom?
Yes, the cup was warm.
Okay, then what?
I looked around the room.
And what did you see?
I noticed a small stage in the corner.
Ooh, stage alert. Was the girl there?
Yes, the girl with a cello was on the stage.
Perfect. Now say it again from the start.
It was raining, so I ran inside the cafe. I sat near the window. I ordered a cappuccino. The waiter brought it. I held the warm cup in my hands. I looked around and saw a small stage. A girl with a cello was on the stage.
Nice. Now we have place and actions.
Better, but I still can't feel the cafe.
Right. We need more light, sound, and feeling.
Let's add them.
Level 3 will bring the room alive.
English snack.
Tom, do you know what we call coffee with milk in English?
Coffee with milk. Milk coffee?
Close, but the natural word is latte. It comes from Italian, and it just means milk.
So if I say latte, people will understand?
Exactly. Next time in a cafe, just say, "Can I have a latte?" Easy and natural. Hi, learners. If you want to practice English, read together with Tom. When you finish, you will feel a big difference.
Okay, let's do it.
So, Tom, when you came in from the rain, how did the cafe feel?
The cafe felt warm.
Warm. Nice. What about the windows?
The windows were bright with yellow light.
Oh, cozy. And the rain outside?
The rain was heavy.
Sounds like a movie scene. And your cup, how did it feel?
The cup was warm and the glass was cool.
Warm hands, cool fingers. I like that picture.
Yeah, it's true.
What sounds did you hear first?
I heard soft talk and the sound of cups.
Cafe sounds. Anything else?
I also heard the door.
Then,
Then I heard a low sound move through the cafe.
the music moment. How did it sound?
It was a low sound, moving slowly through the cafe.
Where did you look?
I looked to the corner with the small stage.
And the girl?
She sat straight with her cello. She breathed slowly, then moved the bow.
And the note?
The first note was long and low, and it filled the air.
And you?
I felt something open in my chest.
That's beautiful. Okay, Tom. Now say the level 3 story in full.
I came in from the rain, and the cafe felt warm. The windows were bright with yellow light. I sat near the window with my cappuccino. The cup was warm, and the glass was cool. The rain outside was heavy. I heard soft talk, cups, and the door. Then I heard a low sound move through the cafe. I looked to the corner with the small stage. A girl with a cello sat there. She breathed slowly and moved the bow. The first note was long and low, and it filled the air. I felt something open in my chest.
That's a clear picture, Tom. And your English is stronger, too. If you're happy, we can stop here. This version is already very good. But if you want to go further, I can open another window for you.
Stop now? No way. I want more.
Good. Learners, if you feel ready, let's step into level 4.
English snack.
Tom, do you know the phrase face the music?
Look at the band?
Not really. It means accept the result, even if it's bad. For example, if you don't do your homework, you must face the music.
Oh, so it's like be brave with the truth?
Exactly. And today, we're also facing the music, literally, in this cafe. So, Tom, let's look closer at the girl. how did she sit?
She sat straight, like she was very serious.
Serious but calm.
Yes, her eyes were calm and her hands moved steady on the strings.
What about the music?
The music was strong and soft at the same time.
Nice. I can almost hear it. And your cup?
Oh, yes. My cup made a small sound on the plate when the music grew strong.
And what did you do?
I held it tighter and smiled at myself.
You smiled at yourself? That's cute.
Yeah, I felt a little shy.
And inside you?
Inside, I thought, she is amazing. She is a real artist.
Wow. Okay, give me the level 4 version.
When I came in from the rain, the cafe felt warm and safe. The windows were bright with yellow light. I sat near the window and ordered a cappuccino. The waiter brought it, and I held the warm cup in both hands. Outside, the rain kept falling. Then, I heard a low sound move through the cafe. I looked to the corner and saw a girl with a cello. She sat straight, her eyes calm, her hands steady. She moved the bow, and the sound was strong and soft. My cup made a small sound on the plate, so I held it tighter and smiled. I thought, she is amazing. She is a real artist. The music filled the cafe while the rain kept falling.
That's smooth and natural. And Tom, I can feel your respect for her.
Yes, she was a real talent.
Good. But we can go one more step. Add interaction.
English snack.
Tom, do you know the phrase rain check?
Rain check. Like check if it rains?
Not quite. It means to delay or do something later. For example, sorry, I can't go to dinner tonight. Can I take a rain check?
Oh, so it's like not now but later.
Perfect. And since it's raining tonight, a rain check fits the mood. So, Tom, after the music, did you do anything?
Yes, I clapped.
Good. Did she notice?
Yes, she looked at me for a second and gave a small smile.
Oh, nice. What did you say?
I told her that was beautiful.
Great choice. And how did she answer?
She said, "Thank you." Just simple, but warm.
Did you say more?
I said, "Your music is very strong, but also soft."
That's a lovely line. And how did she react?
She laughed a little and said, "I just play with my heart."
Wow. And what did you think then?
I thought, she is not only talented, but also kind.
Perfect. Okay, now give us the level 5 story.
I came in from the rain, and the cafe felt warm and safe. The windows were bright with yellow light. I sat near the window and held my cappuccino. Outside, the rain kept falling. Then, I heard a low sound move through the cafe. I looked to the corner and saw a girl with a cello. She sat straight, her eyes calm, her hands steady. She moved the bow, and the sound was strong and soft. My cup made a small sound, so I held it tighter and smiled. The music filled the room. When she finished, I clapped. She looked at me and smiled. I said, "That was beautiful." She said, "Thank you." I added, "Your music is very strong, but also soft." She laughed and said, "I just play with my heart." I thought, she is not only talented, but also kind.
That's a full, beautiful story, Tom. From rain to music to words, you told it all.
Yes, and my English feels stronger now.
It really does. And one more thing, Tom. That girl, she is Maya. She's my old friend, just back in town.
Maya? Really?
Yes, small world, right?
Very small.
Learners, you did it. Step by step, you built a story with Tom. Be proud. You sound clearer and stronger now. Tom, today you didn't just practice English. You showed something bigger. Your patience, your will to keep going, and even how music can move a person's heart.
You mean my story wasn't only about words?
Exactly. It was about rain outside, light inside, and the sound of the cello. You held on, step by step, until the story became alive. That is language, but also spirit.
I didn't think of it like that. But yes, it feels real.
Learners, if you stayed with us through this rain and music, you proved something too. You have the same strength, the strength to learn, to keep walking, even when it's not easy.
It's like the rain kept falling, but inside there was warmth and light.
Yes, and the music rose above the noise, just like your voice today.
That actually feels good.
It should, because English is not only grammar and words, it's also your courage, your talent, and your way to touch the world.
Thank you, Ashley.
Thank you, Tom. And learners, thank you for being here with us. Tonight was about English, yes, but also about rain, music, and the beauty of trying again and again.
If you liked this journey, stay with us. Next time, maybe another window will open.
Until then, take care. And don't forget, you carry more inside you than you know. And if you really made it all the way here, leave us a comment with the word cello. That way, we'll know who stayed until the very end.